Good morning, friends. Today we are taking some examples that are depend upon a distance formula and in a problem set 5. A 18 number example is a hot question. Find the type of quadrilateral if points A minus 4 2, B minus 3 minus 7, C 3 minus 2 and D 2 3 are joined serially. That means we want to find what type of quadrilateral is that. Now here given thing is that now we have to considering a point A having coordinate x1 y1, B considered as x2 y2, C considered as x3 y3 and D considered as x4 y4. Given values that is a minus 4 minus 2, B minus 3 minus 7, C 3 minus 2, 4, and D that is a 2 3. If all these 4 points A, B, C and D, if we are joined A, B, C, D points are serially, then we get a quadrilateral ABCD. Then now we have to considering AB, BC, CD and AD distance. First we have to calculate all these 4 distances and then we can remember that what type of quadrilateral is that. If opposite side are same or not, then we can conclude what type of quadrilateral is that. Now first thing we have to calculate all these 4 segments, length of all 4 segments AB. Now first we have to considering the AB length. Formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, by using a distance formula under root. Now putting these values of x2, x1, y2, y1, then we get value of x2 is nothing but the minus 3 minus 4 bracket square plus y2 minus 7 minus 2 bracket square. Okay, in this case minus 3 minus become plus minus 3 plus 4 bracket square plus minus 7 minus become plus 2 bracket square under root. Okay, minus 3 plus 4 that becomes a 1 square plus minus 7 plus 2 that becomes a minus 5 square. 1 square is nothing but the 1, minus 5 square is nothing but the 25 and the answer become root 26. Similarly, we can calculate a second distance, that is the distance BC. x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square into, then putting the values of x3, 3 minus 3 bracket square plus y3 minus 2 minus 7 bracket square. Okay, that becomes 3 minus become plus 3 plus 3 that becomes 6 square plus 2 minus become plus 5, then answer is 6 square 36 plus 25 and answer become root 61 unit. Okay, now we have to considering a third distance, that is a CD under root x4 minus x3 bracket square plus y4 minus y3 bracket square. Putting these values of x4, x3, y4 and y3. x4 is nothing but the 2 minus 3 bracket square plus 3 minus 2 bracket square. Okay, 2 minus 3 that becomes minus 1 bracket square plus 3 minus become plus 3 plus 2 that become 5 square. Okay, 1 square is nothing but the 1, 5 square is nothing but the 25 and value is a 26 root 26 unit. Now we have to calculate a fourth distance, that is a AD. x4 minus x1 plus y4 minus y1. Putting these values of x4, 2 minus 4 bracket square plus 3 minus 2 bracket square. Then under root 2 minus become plus 2 plus 4, that becomes 6 square, plus 3 minus become plus 5 square. 6 square, that is a 36, 5 square, that is a 25, and the answer is a 61 unit. Here we have to considering all these four length. First length AB is a 26, okay, and third length CD is equal to 26. Therefore AB is equal to CD. First conclusion we get. Next, second, BC is equal to 61, okay, and AD is equal to also 61. Therefore BC is equal to AD, okay. That means opposite side of a given quadrilateral are same or equal. Opposite side of given quadrilateral are equal. That means this quadrilateral is a square or rectangle or maybe parallelogram. This is not square because all the four sides are not equal. Therefore first chance get cancelled. Now second chance, rectangle or maybe parallelogram. Now for rectangle there must be a right angle. Therefore we can calculate the hypotenuse, that is AC. Formula is x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square. Putting these values of x3, x1 and y3, y1. Value of x3 is 3 minus 4 bracket square plus minus 2 minus 2 bracket square. Then we get the value 3 minus become plus, 3 plus 4, that becomes 7 square, plus minus 2 minus become plus, minus 2 plus 2, that becomes 0 square, okay, and answer become 49, and that is equal to 7 unit. Now we can know about a Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is nothing but the sum of square of remaining two sides. That means now we have to considering AC square. AC square is equal to 49. Suppose we have to consider this is equation number first. Then AB square plus BC square. AB square is nothing but the 26. BC square is nothing but the 61, and that become 87. Equation number 2. That means AC square is not equal to AB square plus BC square. That means there is no right angle. That's why, that means there is no right angle. Okay, no right angle. Therefore first condition, square, is already cancelled out. Second, rectangle is cancelled out, and last, that is a parallelogram. Therefore given quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay, in this case we can already calculated, we can get a slope then by using a slope, but this topic is cancelled here. That's why we can go through this way. Okay friends, let's recalling this concept on this point. Now we have to considering a problem set 5. In this problem set 5 we have to considering a 4 point ABCD, that are the vertices of a quadrilateral. A considered as x1 y1, B considered as x2 y2, C considered as x3 y3, D considered as x4 y4, and given that is minus 4 2 minus 3 7 3 minus 2 2 3. By joining ABCD then we get a quadrilateral. Okay, what type of quadrilateral is that? For that purpose we can find the all the four length of the given quadrilateral. Now first we have to considering AB x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square under root. Okay, by putting this value then we get the answer, that is the 26 unit. Next we have to considering for the length BC under root x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square. Putting these values of all, then we get a answer, that is a 61 unit. Now third point, that is we have to calculate CD, and that under root x4 minus x3 bracket square plus y4 minus y3 bracket square. Putting this value, then we get the answer, that is a 26. And last 4 point, we have to calculate AD is equal to x4 minus x1 bracket square plus y4 minus y1 bracket square under root. We get the value, that is a 61. By calculating these three length, we can conclude that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. AB and CD are opposite side, BC and AD are opposite side. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, this quadrilateral may be square, rectangle, or a parallelogram. It is not square because all these four lines or four segments are not equal. Therefore, first chance get cancelled. Now, second, for rectangle. For rectangle, there must be a right angle. Therefore, by using a Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate its hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by using a distance formula x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square. Putting this value, then we get the value, that is a 49 under root or 7 unit. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is nothing but the AC square is equal to 49, AB square plus BC square is equal to 26 plus 61, that become 87. 49 and 87 are not same or not equal. Therefore, AC square is not equal to AB square plus BC square. That means there is no formation of a right angle. If there is no right angle, that means a possibility of formation of rectangle is also cancelled, and last, that is the only remaining, that is a parallelogram. Therefore, given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay friends, thank you.